Hi, this is Kevin Suff from Concentris. I want to show you the quick tip to how to default uncheck to be email from the transaction. So this would prevent the email to be sent out to the customer. So if you go to the list, relationship and customers, or if you know the customers right away, you can go ahead and go to the customers directly. I have this customer here. I'm going to go ahead and edit. And I'll go to the Preference tab. And on here, I'll go ahead and uncheck email. So if I go ahead and uncheck, this will impact all transaction, including sales order, invoice, cash sale. And this would default unchecked to be email from transactions, so the email does not go out. So I'm going to go ahead and save. Go back to the customer and place an order real quick. So when I go ahead and place a sales order, for example, this is a demo account, so it is taking a little bit of time today to be loaded. So if I go to the communication right away, it shouldn't. As you can see, the to be email is automatically default unchecked. So when I go ahead and save this sales order, because I have unchecked from the customer record, and as you saw on the here, it's gonna uncheck the to be email automatic defaulted. So no email is going to be go out when the sales orders has been placed. As you can see, you don't see anything message that's being went out. Another way that you can do this is if you open up the custom form, we'll go ahead and customize a form here, whether that is an invoice or sales order, cash sale again. You can do this from this perspective. It's still loading. You would go to the screen fields and then communication messages. And then on here, you can go ahead and mark this to be unchecked. And if you save, this will basically it will help you to default uncheck the to be email from the transaction, such as sales order. And so email does not go out. So this is two of the ways that you can take advantage of to not send the email to the customers if you wish per transaction. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let us know.